Hey guys, this is Daniel, known as Ranger, and we are doing a vlog on our two dogs.
Hello.
Molly,
Which is that?
which is the black one, and Maisie, the brown. Here.
I could never replace these two.
Oh, you never.
The best dogs ever. Come on, get them in the light. I can't see them back there in the shade.
Maisie, Molly.
Hi, let me see if I can switch camera, can I?
No, you can't.
Well, this is me. Hello.
Hi guys.
Okay. And this is Daniel, as you know, as Ranger, and me as Cheeky Cheetah / Mystery.
Anna.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, Mystery means my...
Anna, I just told you. Anna, come on.
Okay, Video Virus is my nickname. I do a video, like a type of sound blog.
Anyway, she got
How do you?
that Radio Rebel movie.
I love it. I'm going to cancel it, like, not enjoying it. And Daniel's going to do a gamer guy thing. Will he'll do gamer tips? No?
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay. And here is Maisie. Maisie, here girl.
Maisie, here, girl. Come on. Oh, Molly.
Sorry about that. That's our neighbors kind of thing. We live quite in the country. We don't live in cities. Hey, look at it.
So, me and Molly are going to be doing a race. What are you doing?
Maisie. Look, girl. Come on, Daniel, grab the ball and bring it into the light so they can see her. Okay. Hey, Molly, come on. Listen to Daniel.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Here, Molly, come on. Yeah! Molly.
And Molly won, as usual. You see them dogs, and they're really fast. Peace, guys. Okay.
Peace to
Anything you want to say, Anna?
Well, these are amazing dogs. Come on, Molly.
And it's a beautiful day out.
Come on.
This is our house,
No cheating.
my bike.
Daniel, look, that's me and Molly doing a race.
This is our house.
Daniel, come here.
Okay, guys. Okay. Bye, guys. Back to camera. What? Boing. The trampoline. The trampoline. Get in the trampoline.
No, I can't touch this.
Come on.
Daniel, we're at it. Come on, guys.
Okay. Boring. Okay, guys. Ugh. This is a vlog on our dog, so...
Sorry, Molly, you okay?
No, you hurt them.
No,
Okay, guys. So that's our dog. And that's the end of our video. So peace. See you in the next part 2.